What's going on, guys? Taking a look here at Aerodrome Finance, the 23rd of December. Ticker symbol AERO USD, Aerodrome Finance, guys. Aerodrome continues a little move to the downside. We have 2 days here, and today we're actually up in the green of a pullback. Currently, the market Aerodrome is up 0.60%. Let's take a look here at what's been going on for the past couple weeks here. So we have our double top. If you zoom out, it's a triple top, double top here, 23.45 overhead resistance there. Market faded pretty hard on the 12th of December, and it's been basically straight down since about 3 or so days ago. The market had very nice recovery on the 20th of December, reaching a level all the way down to 129 before closing the day all the way up here at the 164. So we did pull back into this previous consolidation and closed very strong. So that is good to see. I talked about this area here, basically the highs here of the date was the 10th of November, right around like the 158, the market, hopefully finding support there. Well, we dove all the way down to 129 and then closed up there. So, took a little bit, but it came in. The past 1, 2, 3 days have been pulling back as well. We have market support right now off of 145. We have a new daily lower low today. So we would like to see, and what we're looking for is the market to stop making daily lower lows. So the 21st was a higher low. We have a lower low, and then today is another lower low. So we'll see. We want to see a higher low come in, and then we could start to look for something like this. So basically this move to the downside here, we want to see a equal or so reaction to the upside for Aerodrome. That's what I'm looking for here over the next couple days. But again, once this market stops making new daily lower lows, if we do get a rally here, this market could find some struggle, some resistance between 186 and 181. These 1, 2, 3 levels right here. Big overhead supply here on the Aerodrome chart, and I think we'll see a struggle if the market gets up there. That's quite a move back up that high. I mean, you're basically 21 to 25% move higher. So, hey, hopefully it happens for the Aerodrome holders, but that is a very, very large move. We'll take a look at Bitcoin here in just a moment. I think we've seen the lows for now. This is a very strong recovery, and I think Bitcoin would have to get hit very hard, across the board, similar to what we saw here on the 20th, for these markets to find themselves back down here. If they do, that's not the greatest thing, especially if this low here is taken out. That's super bearish in my opinion. So you really want to see that low hold, and you want to see somewhere in here a higher low, a higher major low come in here. Maybe it's at 134, and then see these markets recover. You don't want to take out the lows from the 20th. That would be extremely bearish and would probably be taking this market back down to right around like 106 area. So that's kind of a quick wrap up here, a quick overview of what I see going on with Aerodrome, a couple different scenarios playing out. So far, we have a new daily lower low today. Maybe tomorrow we will print a higher low, and then we could start to look to the upside for some bullish movement for Aerodrome. Again, all these levels come into play. We talked about them a lot in the past, But I think the major resistance, if we get a big rally, is going to be between 181 and 186. So watch that. If we start to pop to the upside, look for a daily higher low tomorrow and watch the lows on the 20th. You don't want to take those out. If we take a look over at Bitcoin, BTC USD, it's up $839 here this morning. We got market resistance at the 96,626.83. We are well off the highs here. Our highs came in at, I believe, 108, just above our 104,622 level. We quickly took that back on the 18th, moved all the way lower. This market's trying to find, like it did back in late November, find support at 96,626.83. Currently, it's below that. This market might be forming some kind of a rough head and shoulders here. Far from perfect, which would be a bearish pattern, taking us back down to the 80,000 or so level. We do have higher targets for Bitcoin. Right now, it's not looking like they want to start a new rally, but that can change. We have new daily lower lows today. We also have that target up there at 116, 834. So assuming the highs are taken out at 108, looking for a 116 move. But we got to get a nice footing here, start printing higher lows and higher highs, start to trend back to the upside. But looks like a move like this wants to take place, taking out all of these lows here, and that would be nice and bearish. So I don't know what they're going to do here, but that's what I see likely to happen is they're going to fade this market. They're going to take out all of these lows here, all of these important lows, all these big candle wicks, and send the market somewhere down in the mid to high $80,000 range. But we'll see what they do. I am not in control of that. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you are not yet subscribed, join us here on the channel. All links down below. You guys have a great day.